Welcome back to Rite Style Cooking TV, and today we got a bowl here with some fish, and what I'm gonna do is the basic seasoning for these fish. Like you're gonna fry, you're gonna roast, and you're gonna bake fish. I'm gonna do the basic seasoning, and the basic seasoning is two of the most common seasoning that you will come across in your kitchen, and it's salt and ground black pepper. So you get a little bowl like this, and you pour in some salt, and some black pepper. You mix the salt and black pepper together. This is the easiest way. Then you get the fish, or a piece of fish, and you sprinkle. And you rub. Sprinkle and you rub. Now on the inside of a fish, never put too much salt seasoning on the inside of your fish. Not a lot of salt or black pepper on the inside of your fish. Just concentrate on the outside, and don't put too much. Don't over salt. And over black pepper your seasoning, your fish. Just put a little, just a little, less than a pinch. Put some on the inside, rub them up to the side, and always make sure that your fish is not wet, because if it's wet, the seasoning won't stick to the fish. Just a little, like I say, don't over salt it. Better you put way little seasoning before you start to cook. Then when you reach in the middle section of your cooking or near the end, you take a taste and you'll know whether you need more seasoning. But this is the basic seasoning for fish: salt and black pepper. I'm gonna fry some of these fish, and I'm gonna bake some. I'm gonna bake the whole ones like this one. I'm gonna put them in foil, show them in my oven. But I'm gonna put other seasoning on it, like onions, pepper, and anything else that I feel like put on it. Yeah. So this is the basic seasoning for fish. Don't let nobody fool you. Basic seasoning for fish is salt and black pepper. And like I say, remember, don't season your fish if they are wet. You can dry them with paper towel or any type of other towel, because if you try and season them when they're wet, the salt and black pepper won't stick. It's gonna wash off. So that's how it goes. Basic seasoning. And if you find out that after seasoning they kinda get a little damp, because the salt on the fish will make this fish kinda get damp, right? Because of the water content of the fish. So if they get a little damp and you're gonna fry them, and you figure more or less they might make the oil pop, you do a very simple thing. You get paper towel, like a sheet of paper towel. You put the fish in and you just pat. You don't have to pat heavily or wipe them. No, you just pat, and the moisture, like you see, the moisture will come on the towel. After doing that, you'll notice your salt and black pepper will still be on the fish. So you finish with that paper towel, you discard it. You don't save it and use it another time on any other meat or any other fish, because that can cause cross-contamination. So basically that's it. Please like, comment and share. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.